Australian market fell about 1.2% this morning. Banks are down 3% in early trade and the energy sector's down about 2%. We've dropped because US markets fell overnight, mainly the S&P 500 and the Dow both fell 1%. After the US Federal Reserve held its interest rates meeting, the chairman, Jerome Powell, said he was going to keep interest rates on hold at the 0 to 0.25% range until at least 2022. And he also released some economic forecasting saying US GDP is predicted to fall 6.5% this year and unemployment will be 9.3% by the end of the year. So what this means is it disappointed investors a little bit because they were expecting the economy's pickup to be not as gradual as he's predicting. And that really caused share markets to fall slightly overnight. And the ASX 200 is down about 1.2% right now. But on the local market today, we've had some positive news from retailer JB Hi-Fi. They've announced that their profit this year, they're expecting it to be 22% higher than last year. And that's all down to panic buying of white goods and home office equipment during the months of March and April. And this comes a day after Harvey Norman also announced a special dividend for its shareholders of 6 cents per share after it reported sales of roughly 20% increase in the first 5 months of this year, Tom. So some good news for the retailers, but overall the stock market is down 1.2%, but we have had 7 straight days of gains, so it's only natural for it to pare back a little bit.